Hi there, it's my pleasure to be here and share some morning activity with you. As you can see at this moment, I'm here on my cropland, which is called betel leaf field. As you can see in my hand, it's called broom grass, and I'm gonna use this broom grass to bind this betel leaf. As you can see, actually, I hardly come in the morning on my cropland because this is high time to study, which is really helpful for me to study early morning. But recently, you know that the weather condition is scorching. That's why to work on the cropland after morning it's really difficult. That's why I would like to complete my little bit task in the morning. After complete the work, I will start to study, which will be best for me. What do you think? Isn't it wonderful to speak English during my activity? I think so. What do you think? Let me below the comment. If you think it is helpful and if you really want to learn spoken English, you can speak English when you have get time, when you have a lots of time. But if you don't have enough time, manage your time. But never delay to practice English. No more today. See you soon. Mercy.